Hello everyone, nice to see you again in another wellness video of my channel Amar's Health Hub. I am Amar, I'm a wellness specialist. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a full workout and stretching routine for absolute beginner, post injuries and surgeries rehabilitation, and also elder people. Will help you to improve your mobility, push more blood circulation on your muscle and joints. First, we're gonna start with a very light stretch, starting with our neck. So, slowly and always monitor your breathing. We're gonna do side by side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then up and down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Always increase if you want. Also, stretching. Hold 1, 2, 3, and then the other side. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then we're gonna do wide chest open. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. If you are comfortable with to do a shoulder rotation, you can do 1, 2, always monitor your breathing, 3, and so on, and then the opposite direction, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we interlock our finger, turn, and then rotate. 1, 2, 3, and then to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. After that, we're gonna stretch, hold. 1, 2, 3. The opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then go for waist rotation. And when you do this, don't only doing from your lower legs. I want you to move your hips round. 1. Look, I move my round. 2, and 3, the other side. 1. My hip is moving, not only my legs. 2, and 3. Now, something to strengthen our shoulder. We'll do shoulder raises. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. You can increase, of course, if you want. Now, front shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Biceps. 1, 2, 3. Lateral side stretching. Elbow on the side and open and close. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now triceps. Holds your arms up and imagine you are holding a dumbbell. If you want to increase, of course, it's up to you if you have any small dumbbell, but if not, you can just imagine. And then we gonna do like this. 1, 2, 3. Also, you don't have to put your hands together. You can make it separately. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, for some balance, you can put your hands on the wall and lift your arm for the oblique. 1, 1, 2, 2. I'm gonna show it from here to understand, and you can also, if you can have the balance, you can put your arm like this and lift. 1, 1, 2, 2. Try to lift up. This is to strengthen your oblique. For a balance, place your hand, if you can, on any disc and move. 1, 2, and inner. 1, 2. The other side, doing the same. 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2. Perfect. And then we're gonna strengthen our lower back. So imagine like we are doing deadlift. without anything. We're going forward. 1, up, and be careful when you do this, otherwise you're gonna feel a little bit dizzy. So monitor your breathing. Don't stand up fast. 2, up, and 3. Perfect. And then we're gonna stretch our quads. So also hold anything for balance and hold from your ankle. Stretch, feel the stretch in your quads. The opposite side. Doing everything slowly and keep always breathing. Perfect. Now for the lats. You can do it both together like this. Make your back straight, bend your knees a little bit, and extend fully your arms and up. And this is your maximum. Goes down, up, down, stretch and up. If you can't and you feel it's actually more stressful on your lower back, you can use it to do it one hand. Make a chair and put one knee like this and do it only with one hand. 1, stretch, 2, and 3. Feel the stretching around your lats. And after this, do it to the other side. Now for the quads, we're gonna do a simple squat. Now make your leg comfortable. We were not gonna target so many angles for today, just basic one. And also the hands is up to you. Some comfortable like this, some for comfortable like this. It's actually up to you. The most important, you are comfortable. And we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now, let's say you're feeling uncomfortable. You have a little bit irritating knee. So don't worry. You bring a chair and imagine we're gonna do a leg extension. We're gonna sit comfortable and we will lift our leg. 1, 2, feel the stretch around the quads. 3, as well as the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now for the calf muscle, standing calf raises is very good for the soleus and the calf muscle. You can stand by a wall or near to any surface. I will show you both. On the wall, stand up and down, up and down. And for any surface, I will show you laterally from the side, up, down, up and down. Now we're gonna do some simple exercise for the hamstring. We're gonna lie down on the stomach and imagine we'll do a lifting up and down, up and down, again up and down. If you want to increase the resistance, if you have something like a small dumbbell, you can hang it between the foot. For the chest and the shoulder, I'm gonna show you how to do a simple push-up. We're gonna do it on the knee as a simple, and then we're gonna do starting push-up. The width of the arm is actually up to you, of course, not to target so many muscles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Of course, if you can make it without the knee, like fully push up like this, of course, this will be perfect. And also, if you can't to go push down, also don't worry. We can just be like this, stand like this for 10 seconds. This also will make the muscle a little bit warming up, and slowly you can do not even one time, and then you increase it gradually. So don't start fast, take your time. Now simple ab workout, and also not to put much pressure on the lower back, just have a sit-up. We're gonna lie down on our back. The hand, of course, is up to you. And then we're gonna lift half. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these will be very beneficial and also will not gonna put any stress on your lower back. The intensity, of course, it's up to you. And as I mentioned, start gradually, slowly, and monitor always your breathing. I hope this exercise routine was beneficial for you. Start gradually, as I mentioned, monitor your breathing. Everything starts slow and then it will grow by itself. I want you to believe in yourself. Make sure that anything is possible. Please share your comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to contact me anytime. I wish you a healthy and a wonderful life. See you next video.